Welcome to my art studio. Today I'm talking through the step-by-step process of my watercolour painting, Seagulls. Having prepared the paper, I start to sketch the layout of the sea wall, the towers and the seagulls. I select the paint colours, choosing cadmium yellow, sepia, cobalt blue, paynes grey, yellow ochre, alizarin crimson and sap green. I mix cobalt blue and paynes grey. I brush water onto the paper and then paint the sky in cobalt blue, allowing the paint to merge and blend on the damp paper. I use a damp brush to lift off the paint to form the clouds. I then start to paint the sea, painting in cobalt blue and paynes grey onto damp paper. I create the waves and ripples on the water, lifting off the paint with a damp brush. I start to paint the seagulls using paynes grey, observing the colours and markings. And blending out the edges with water. I work on the rest of the seagulls in the same way, observing the angle of the shadows and light. start to paint the sea wall in sepia. And add the effect of the stone blocks. I then paint the towers, observing the angle of the light. Then paint the rails, creating depth and perspective. I paint the beaks of the gulls using cadmium yellow and alizarin crimson. Working towards completing my painting, seagulls.